Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Nohprah Premium Meghalaya.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ke Jela wa Preston Tensong Baderu Menteri Bapai ya ka PWD Roads uliat hu bamenta ka sengi kalau don ke jingyalang menpej benia ya ke jingyat ke kam ha ke jing pentre ya ke surak Shillong Shadauki halor ka 4 lane kam na serpi sedu banyun wa Preston laong baka company kala kular bakan Pyndep ya ke nik surak Hapoh benai Nohprah mentau Snem henrai ya ki weipat na banyun terter sedu dauki en Pyndep Hapoh jong Nohprah arjar arpun riu.
The first-hand information about the progress of the Greenfield high-speed corridor of 166.80 kilometers, starting from Maulungkung, from Umyam, up to near Panchkrap site, up to the border of Assam. And I'm happy to inform all of you that the survey in Riboy district, Khasi Hills and West Jati Hills is more or less completed, and the notification of the Kala is also now in the stage of notification, and that is starting from the 3A section of this NH Act acquisition. So I'm very sure maybe by end of this year we will be able to complete even the East Jante Hills, because see what happened was in the East Jante Hills we have lot of challenges because the topography is very deep inside and people has to walk maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, so it takes a lot of time. And not only that, because of rainy season, that also one of the challenge. But I'm sure NHRGCL along with the district administration, they'll be again on the job from first part of October, and I'm very sure they'll be able to complete this survey, the detailed survey of this alignment will be completed most likely by this end of the year. So this is what I wanted to inform to all of you, and once that is done, we are committed to make sure that the implementation of this project, which is a national project, I should say, 166 kilometers is not a joke, and even the total sanction amount is, I think in the northeastern state, it is one of the highest sanctions, about 22 crores, or 22,864 crores. So this is what we did the review meeting today. And the second review meeting is about the status of Tura bypass. Again, this one also, we are in the final stage of publication of the 3G, and 3G, as you are aware, that we are reaching to the stage of identifying the landowners for disbursement of the land compensation. So everything is on track, and I'm very sure again within this year we will be able to disburse the land compensation in the bypass, Tura bypass. Ketika first phase, ka first package, kepada ka full lane, kumong ipi ka targeted date bandet kilabu ubunai Desember. Dengan da ship kata ka progress ko, dan dengan sagi yo baro tambalong kala tigna bakin Pyndep uneu Hapoh jong Desember arja arsan. Ka package 2, ka package 4 dan ke package 5, kani ka targeted date is in the year 2026.
Jadi ke package 3 na ganito na
and ka package 3 pada kadai ka jongta Punusla bypass. Kadai ka Punusla bypass kalau menta sa tamba kanwan ke notification kepada kata 3 Kata 3G kalau the final kemudian pelai atat ya memberikan disbursement of the land compensation. Katur katenda pilafat piladep plut kalau berstang ba ingin handover ya jaka madep handover ingin handover pada kalau pendelaan FC ikut try jaka once dia pengilah FC ingin handover ya jaka jongi siaka NSL bat NSL pada kan hasdang no yo kontraktor mungkin malong tak kabel sur kan ka kejimi juga teka basa kalau berstang ka tu ka pakai istri bang opi ya ka penusla bypass Nomor bah kampat notify ya kata 3G. Di semla notify ke 3G, pas kalau bercetang begini, sam ya ketuka door jongka land compensation. La kalau saya karai, la kalau saya senong, la kalau saya kita jaka kiba ya lembak ni ka dule. Kani pi ya kani kebayaan napo mulai mauro. Kapag ni ong ka mulai bypass. Katur kam lele katur ni kala ni lade ya katur ni ong ka full right road plus maulai bypass katur ngimdon isu ye nomor karat mentan ni lade Pyndep ladang bahas isu te ka basa kalau nang tu na maulai bypass katur ka VIP road kaban mi komo pi sate siapo umroi airport te katur ka progress ko very good te ngangi scan bala umuro very soon ya te ni la Pyndep Hapoh yang apa angut ki kontraktor kawin ka ba trade to ka company but kawin ka trade ki local nanti na po strategy jat. Well, I think the recent accident, I think we knew for it's very unfortunate, and especially that night. It was in fact that night it falls on a Sunday, if I'm not mistaken, and it was so foggy, and that small vehicle carrying the whole family. Then when they reached to that point, maybe because of the fog, the driver could not see properly. So ultimately, it went off the road. So, in fact, after 2 or 3 days, I had a review meeting because while the construction work is on, you understand, we cannot make the road comfortable as expected. But we have already instructed the company and the NHSL, wherever they see that there is a blind curve, blind turning, a proper marking, a proper signage has to be there. And right now, I did not receive any complaint because that has been complied and it is more or less safe for people to ply. But of course, my only humble request to all the drivers, to all the travelers of Shillong, Dauki, to be more alerted and then not to drive fast when you especially reach Light Lokot towards Punusla area, because the road is narrow and number 2, the construction is in full swing.
So,
topography out there.
Oh yeah, the formation. Are you talking about the land formation? It is. Why not? Because see now, what happened was, as I said to you, this is the right time for the company to put their efforts in full swing to complete the construction, because this is their working season. Then we have already instructed them that they should put more machinery and more manpower to make sure that the blasting or the widening or the construction or whatever should be faster during the dry season. So they have already agreed that, because as I said to you, right now you will see few portions. Sometimes it is difficult even to put a speed of 20 or 25 kilometer per hour. So now, as I said to you, we have a lot of challenges, no doubt with, but at the same time we have already instructed the company to make sure in such portion, in such places, to have again a proper signage, so that people will know that this is the landslide prone area, or this is the place where it is not that safe. Please go slow, or please be alert yourself while traveling.
Pen rius pa ya kak tien la jong pen dam kam ya kabakan kiyo kak tien kasi kak tien la jong ai kan roy kan pa ngidon ki kan tien la jong belai pat puri bat penduk ya la kak tien la jong kum kan nuksa kak tien barikor kamut arts hakak tien pareng kak tien lari tipat kamut culture kumta ya ka arts and culture ngiyo da ka ktien khasi barikor bat lariti ki balong ru ki ktien ban kerteng khun u barikor ka lariti lapen mi da ka pati CTV naga menta ka jingmentoi upat ba